trash here. It's a diesel fuel filter. Let's see what the new one looks like. Nice, huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very, very clean.
And then you take out these 5. The screws are
Right here.
T20. There's 5 of them on top, and it's very common with trucks as well. I can attest to the Chevy. And
Is it gonna leak?
it's a little bit, so it's nice to
Do
put...
you need a screwdriver to pry it open?
Nope. So what I normally do is just put a little bib all around to help prevent any spillage going through the truck, but if there is spillage, it'll just dry out. So if you do have a screwdriver, I would a little bit at the lip, very gently, just to break the seal, and then slowly raise it up. Hoppa. That's it.
It's a lot of fuel in there.
That's what it is. And then you just take that one out slowly.
Do you have a box or a paper?
It's good to have something.
Where's the oil thing? Is it under the car still?
Hold
Yeah,
on.
that'll do.
And 3, 2, 1. Just hold it off. Ready? Hoppa, right there. And take it.
That didn't go as planned.
It's alright.
BP oil spill over. Oh, you got on the paint?
It's okay.
Should rinse it with some water.
It evaporates, no big deal. So, now that the old one is out, I'm gonna make sure
The seal area.
the seal is clean.
Do you have another seal or the
on
the
both
filter has it?
sides. What?
The new filter has
No.
the new seal.
Yep. And there's a little pin to help you.
Alignment.
Yep. There's a lot of metal in there, but
This what?
see the sediment? That's what
Oh,
this
dirt.
is for, to
Yeah.
help prevent all of that going into your fuel system. So if you drop it in, you let it sink on its own.
It's soaking probably.
And then when you can, just lubricate the lip just a little bit here with the diesel that's there. And then make sure the paper isn't in. This is the little pin that helps you align it.
Are you
It
at the
should-
pin right now? I don't think you're
Yes.
at the pin.
I'm on the pin. All the holes are aligned. I gotta hold it down because the
Here, I'll hold it down.
gravity will push it up. Gravity.
Gravity.
You know, the diesel.
Gravity.
So once you do them by hand, then you can screw them in by.
You have to
cranking
go
them.
across, remember that. So you have to go
Don't
here
go
now.
too crazy. Enough so you can do it one hand with your pinky. Boom. Done.
Across.
Tension. That's what that was.
All right, that's done. That's done. Look at that, beautiful.
So-
Clean up, clean up.
Filter is all set.
All right.
And
And on the next episode of Good Enough Mechanic.